Hello and welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 8. Today we're going to be talking about multiplying with regrouping. Now we've already done that with base 10 blocks, so today we're going to kind of look at it more numerically, which means with numbers. It does say here, base 10 blocks can be used to multiply two-digit numbers, but we're going to try to get away from that a little bit. So let's get started. All right, so here for example 1, it says Zach bought 13 packages of light bulbs. There are 4 light bulbs in each package. How many light bulbs are there in all? So he has 13 packages, and there's 4 light bulbs in each package. So what we need to do is we need to do 4 times 13. Okay, so I could model. So I have one group of 13, 2, 3, 4 groups of 14. So if I count my tens, I have 10, 20, 30, 40. If I count my ones, I have 3, 6, 9, 12. So I have 12 ones and 4 tens or 40 if you wanted to look at it in terms of ones. So I need to regroup 10 of the ones and add it to my tens. Okay, so I should be getting 52, right? So let's look at, how does that look with numbers? So first I do 3 times 4, and that's 12. So just like addition, I put my 1, my 10 up there. That's this 10 over here. That's going up on top. And then my 2 goes on the bottom, just like addition. Then I'm going to multiply 4 times 1 is 4. And then, just like addition, I'm going to add in my regrouped number. So I do 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. 52. So that means 4 times 13 is 52. Here it says check using the distributive property. I'm going to scooch this guy up a little bit. So I could break 13 into 10 and 3. So if I get 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 10 is 40. If I add those two numbers together, 40 plus 12 is 52. And that checks out with my multiplication up there. All right, let's check out another problem. Example 2. Will make $6 an hour. So that means every hour he works, he's going to make $6. And he shampoos dogs at a pet shop. Last month, he worked 38 hours. How much money did Will earn? So I need to take 38 times 6 in order to figure out how much money he earned. So a great option to do always is to estimate, so we can know about how much should we be getting. So I would say 38 is about 40. And then I'm going to multiply that by 6. So if I do 4 times 6, I get 6, 12, 18, 24. 24. And then I notice I have a 0 left over. So it should be 240 is about what my answer should be here. So let's multiply and see what we get. Here I have to do 6 times 8 is 48. If I didn't know that, let's keep going with my 6's here. 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 6 and 8 is 40. I regroup my tens on top of the tens, right? This 3 here is the tens place. I regroup it on top there. 48 is a 1. So I bring that down to the bottom down there. Now I need to multiply 3 times 6. 3 times 6. Well, let's see. What are 6 threes? 1, 2, 3 is 18. 18, then don't forget to add your regrouped number up there. 18 plus 4 is 22. So Will earned $222. $28 shampooing dogs last month. The product, 228, is close to the estimate, 240. Now, we're kind of used to when we're comparing an actual answer with an estimate that they're very close. We're used to that. Now, with multiplication, it's going to be a little different. So we just kind of need to say, are they reasonably close or are they super far apart, right? If I would have multiplied this and gotten like 2,228, if I would have gotten something crazy like that, I know that's nowhere near 240. But we know that 230 is about 240, right? So we would call that good. All right, so here I'm going to multiply 3 times 4. That's 12. Notice how I regrouped the 1 on top of the 2. Then 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 more is 9. So I get an answer of 92. Let's see, what would I choose for an estimate here? I'd take 23 and I'd say that's about 20. And 4, I'm going to keep it because then I can do 2 times 4 is 8. I have a 0 here, 0 here, 80. So 4 20s are 80 and 80 is close to 92. So that checks out. Here we go. 6 times 2 is 12. So I regroup my 10. Bring down my 2. Then I do 6 times 4. That's 24. Plus 1 more is 25. So 252 is what I'm getting for my answer here. If I were going to estimate, I'd say 42 is about 40 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. And I wasn't multiplying it 4 times 6. I was multiplying it 40 times 6. So I would get 240. Is 240 close to 252? Yes. Check. We're good to go. All right. I just want to do a couple more here. This one mainly to show you how to set it up. Okay. So I'm going to put the number that has the most digits on top. So I'm going to put 46, and then 8 is going to go on the bottom, and I'm going to multiply. 8 and 6, well, I knew 6 times 8 was 48, so does that mean 8 and 6 is also 48? Yes, it does. 48. Then 8 times 4 is 32, plus 4 more is 36. So we get 368. Let's check with my estimate. 46, I'd say, is about 50. Let's do 50 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40. And then we've got our trusty. We didn't multiply 5 times 8. We did 50. So 400. Is 400 close to 368? Check. Okay, let's do the next one. 93 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. No regrouping here. 2 times 9 is 18. 186. Then if I estimate, I would say 93. Let's do 90. I know it's tempting to pick 100 because hundreds are easy to multiply by, but so are nines. So 90 times 2, especially when we're multiplying it by 2, right? So that would be the same as 90 plus 90, or 9 times 2 is 18. And we've got our trusty 0 for 90, 180, and look how close they are. That was pretty good. So that's all I have for you for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure you let me know if you have any questions. Bye.